It's when you post it, huh?
Before a foot jump.
He's so high, huh?
That's bigger, dude.
Ooh.
Oh, he's tanked away.
Yeah. I'm not sure he's ready yet.
I'll show you how to do this, Justin.
All right.
That's how you do it. That's how you almost end up in the boat.
So
Still,
close.
if I get it on the second try, though, that's still better than
That's right. I took too long.
And I can get the hook out of it.
All right. All right. We finally hooked him right.